Okay, so now this is our inside cabin. Again, this is the Regal Princess. We did already unload some items. Got our luggage already delivered, and our room steward actually went ahead and put it in our room, which is awesome. I have a kiddo here already sleeping. But for me, very spacious for an inside cabin. But I really just want to show you what you get if you decide to do inside. Look at all this closet space. Then over here, more space. Now this room is not going to be very impressive, but we will show you. Toilet, sink, and then a small shower here. Keep in mind, on cruises, your bathroom is small. So again, this is the Regal Princess, and this is an inside cabin.